Hi, Mark here. Tuesday, December the 30th. It's 8:09 a.m. Eastern, 1:09 p.m. GMT. US session now underway and into the afternoon portion of the European session. Let's have a look how the markets are shaping up. US dollar index, again, a strong start. Green candlestick. I've got support at 97.62 and testing yesterday's resistance area for now. I've got resistance at 97.82. We'll see whether that can be maintained now that the US session is underway. Intraday resistance matching yesterday's, which is being challenged. And as you can see, price activity trading above this descending trend line, which has pretty much contained activity since 21st of November. Let's see whether buyers can maintain above this trend line and push higher today, looking up at that 98 level, or if, as we saw yesterday, sellers step in now that US session is open and push down from this area and look down at the support at 97.62. Pretty flat. If we take a step back, you can see activity contained within this range. Let's see if buyers can break above as the US session now gets underway. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. We had a sell-off yesterday, some profit taking definitely. Buyers weren't able to maintain at these recent highs, sold off yesterday. Today, in the futures market, still about an hour and a half until Wall Street opens up. Futures market so far pretty flat where it closed yesterday. I've got support 6,943. I've got resistance at 6,958. We'll see whether buyers can bounce back, recoup yesterday's losses, or if sellers continue what they started yesterday, perhaps more profit taking, and test the support at the 6,943. Let's have a look at gold. Extreme sell-off yesterday, over $200. Really a meaningful sell-off yesterday. Firstly, have a look at the double top, which we saw yesterday, and that's a strong reversal sign. We'll see whether that can play out and sellers add to those, to the sell-off and to the losses we saw yesterday. Perhaps more profit taking. Buyers did step in so far today. I've got support at 4,323. I've got intraday resistance at 4,404. We'll see whether buyers can continue with this fight back, break above the 4,400 level, and get back to the highs around 4,500 or higher, or whether sellers continue what they started yesterday and we see activity back at the 4,323. But certainly a fight back so far from gold. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Put in a good showing yesterday. Same thing today. Buyers again. Demand for oil again this morning. I've got support at 60.98. I've got intraday resistance at 61.86. Buyers testing that intraday resistance. Buyers will then go on to test this descending trend line, which we have in place, and see if it can break above those levels. Or we'll see whether sellers step back in again, whether it's at this intraday resistance we're sitting now, the 61.82, or if we get above 62 and the descending trend line, where the sellers step in and bring back prices back down to the 61 level, today's support. Bitcoin hanging around that same flat, really flat range. I've got support at 86.6. I've got resistance at 88.1. So just under $1,500 at the tight range so far today. Buyers are maintaining just above the, let me scroll out a bit, just a little bit above this descending trend line, which I've had in place since the sell-off, which started in October. We'll see whether buyers can maintain above this descending trend line, break above the intraday resistance at 88,000, which has become a comfort level, and then 90,000, the next target on the upside. Buyers have been unable to maintain above that 90. We'll see whether they give it another test today or whether sellers do step in and look down at the 86.6 thousand support level. But certainly flat for now, tight range as you can see. We'll see how that plays out during the US session. Good trading. Keep that discipline. I'll see you at the end of day session.